This is our bromeliad grower, and he does a fantastic job with bromeliads. And Manny, you want to show us around?
Yeah,
Talk a little bit about what you got?
absolutely. We're a 35-acre nursery out of South Florida. We've been in business for over 40 years. Our brand is Bromeliads. So we're a 2-inch line, a 4-inch line, a 6-inch line of bromeliads. We probably are one of the largest grower wholesalers in the country, not just in Florida. And we're able, this year finally to be person to person and display our wonderful products. So
Acmea?
this is an Acmea primera. A lot of people call it the Acmea fasciata.
Yes.
That was the original. What they did, the hybridizer, was that he took away the spines, and it became the Acmea primera.
Wow, I didn't know that. Very nice. Yeah, those
and
things
also
grand.
the bract, the inflorescent, doesn't come up too high, so that it doesn't lean over. It sort of stays, in an area that it can hold up the plant. The flower can be held up by the plants. Because some of them are a little top heavy. These are different kinds of Guzmanias. This is called the Guzmania Hope. Very popular due to the fact of its Christmassy look.
Yeah.
This is a red Tatiana, very, very nice looking plant.
Longevity on this compared to
basically almost the same. Basically almost the same. Because you threw out the little flowers here, okay, but they're very insignificant compared to the inflorescence.
Awesome.
Okay. Here we have several different kinds of Guzmanias. Here we have a 2-inch line of bromeliads that we sell to the retail markets and to other markets as well. This is great as gift items for
pop it out, pop it in.
Yeah, pop it out, pop it in, and also, we sell them like this as well. So you can, if you have a meeting with clients and so on and so forth, you have a little thank you.
Yeah,
There you
nice.
go.
Yeah.
So that's worked out, and
we need some of those.
Yeah, that's worked out on the interior scape side. These are all of our upgrades. This is a mini pineapple that we do as well. Interior scape companies have also used this product.
Okay.
In Milwaukee, when we were up there, they had these where we were sitting outside.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Milwaukee.
Yeah, in Milwaukee, exactly. Yeah. So these are all the different colored Guzmanias. We have purples, we have reds, we have oranges, we have bicolors. We have everything under the sun.
All right. Manny, thank you.
No, thank you very much.
How do you like being in Tampa?
Fantastic, love it.
Can you say go Bucks?
Go Bucks.
Go Bucks, all right.